Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside WordPress. Log in and go straight to Appearance, then Customize. Once there, choose the Home Page or Front Page section. Many themes label it Home Page Settings or Hero. If the home page uses a widget or a page template, open that specific panel. Make sure the media you plan to use is uploaded to the media library. Click Add Media now if needed. This direct path gets you to the control that actually changes the visible homepage image. Now that you're in the right panel, click the image control labeled Header, Hero, Featured, or Background Image depending on your theme. Press Change Image, pick an existing file or upload files to add a new one. Once selected, set the focal point and cropping options so important content isn't cut off on mobile. Preview the change in different device views inside the customizer. When it looks right, click Publish. That writes the new image to the live homepage. Finish by clicking Publish and then clear caches. Your caching plugin, server cache, and CDN if you use one. If the homepage image still doesn't update, inspect whether a page builder, widget, or theme template overrides the customizer. Open the page editor or builder to change the hero there. Also verify image file size and format. Very large files or unsupported formats can fail to display. Re-upload a properly sized JPEG or WebP and retest. And make sure permissions allow the file to be served.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.